Hello friends, in a previous video we saw what electroplating and electrorefining actually means. It's just a part of a broader process called electrolysis. Okay, so today we are going to see some applications of both electrorefining and electroplating. So electrorefining, as the name suggests, refines the substance. That means it purifies the substance. So let's say you have copper. I know you don't care much about the purification of copper, but what about gold? You have gold. Gold is a very precious metal and it's very costly. And if it's not purified, it doesn't cost much. So you would have heard that there's this carat of gold and that carat of gold. That means how much purified the gold itself is. It's not about the quantity, it's about the purification. Different carats of gold cost differently because different carats of gold are differently purified. So that purification is done through this process of electrorefining only. Also, silver can also be purified using the similar process. In this, we take one which is pure metal and the other which is impure metal. So we take these two rods and we put them into the setup of electrolysis which we studied in the previous video. And when we put them, we see that what happens that these impurities start leaving this metal and start getting settled over this pure form. So your pure form keeps getting bigger and bigger and your impure metal just in the end remains with all the impurities only. Now the second process which we are going to study was electroplating. So electroplating has various applications unlike electrorefining. Electrorefining was only used for purification's purpose. Electroplating is used to improve the shining of the metal. Say your gold ring has become old and it lost its shining. So if you go and do the electroplating, it will increase its shining. I'll tell you a very interesting story. A story in which Neil Armstrong, who was the first man to reach the moon, has his helmet. So on his helmet, he has electroplating of gold because gold reflects the ultraviolet rays. So in that way, what he used was electroplating to get a coating of another metal over the present method. So if you want to coat, say, your copper with gold, this is the method which is used. Also, it saves the metal for corrosion, such as metals like iron. When they come in contact with air, they get rust. So to stop that rust, we use this method, like the corrosion method, to stop. When we coat iron with some other metal, they do not corrode. So I hope I was clear today and you guys understood what we have studied today. We studied the different applications of electroplating and electrorefining. I hope I was very clear.